Oh yeah, finished product of beating stick. It's more like a decorative beating stick. It just looks good. And if need be, some method walks in, you could freaking plow him in the face with this thing. I'm just dinking around with the wood lathe, me and Carlos, Evelyn, Big Dick Nick. That's the wood finish I used. It's fucking focus, you piece of shit. Dark walnuts. Nuts. These nuts. Oh, that's the thing. The trace table I made for doing tattoos. Hold on, I'll plug it in. Damn it, fuck. Fucking damn it. Fucking one-handed operation here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. But we're going to put the plexiglass over top and white it out. And I'm going to take clear plexiglass. I'm going to take that DeWalt palm sander with about 120 grit. I'm going to sand it so it's white. You know what I'm saying? So it all... Fuck, you know what I'm talking about. I don't mind. It's this dirty shop again. There's a tractor I painted again. Well, I'm just showing you again. $3 Dollarama gloves. Where's Nick? We're waiting for him. There's that big planer. A decent saw. Look at this B-hotch. Makita. Oh. Whoever, it doesn't, or I don't think it has laser level, but when do I actually ever use those? None. They're nice for doing angle cuts because then you can see kind of whatever, but fuck him. Oh. But anywho, here's a beating stick from my other videos. You know what I'm saying? Fucking. Duh! No big deal at all.